Yo, what's up? This is Scott Tolinsky with Level Up Tuts, and today we're going to be leveling up your list skills within Sass. So we're going to be doing some cool stuff with the nth function. And basically, the nth function is able to grab the nth item in a list. So as the Sass docs on their website point out, right here, if you grab the nth item in this list, in this case, you're grabbing the first item in this list, it's going to be 10 pixels. And let's say you have a list here, you're grabbing the third item, it's going to be sans serif. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to have 4 paragraphs here, and each are going to be a lighter and lighter shade of black. And we're going to be accomplishing that with the use of an each statement and a list. And in the list, we're essentially going to have key values that we're going to use as classes. In our index file, I have changed the paragraph classes, so now the paragraphs have a class of 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we're going to be using the sort of key values 1, 2, 3, and 4 in our list with their associated background colors to auto-populate the background colors of these paragraphs. So to do this, we're going to start off with an each statement, just like before. And last time we made our list first, and then we passed in the list to the each statement. This time we're going to put the list directly in the each statement, just to show you that method as well, because that's another way you can do it. So we're going to do at each. So for each, in, we're just going to call this P because it's a paragraph, in, and then we do parentheses. And so now what we're going to do is we're going to put our key value, so it's going to be 1, and then we're going to do black, and then comma for the next item in the list. We're going to do 2, and we're going to do black plus 20, comma, 3 black plus 40, comma, 4 black plus 60. Okay, and now, because we're still in our each statement, we're saying, go through this list and run it each of these times. And within here, we're going to start brackets, and in our brackets, we're going to say dot for the class, and then just like before, we used the pound sign, and then then bracket, and then we're going to do nth. And so what this is going to be saying is we're going to look within the list, which we've declared as P. So we're going to say and we want the first item. So this is looking, it's passing it this list 1 and black. And so we're going to say give us the first value, which is 1, and that's going to be assigning it to our class. Okay, and then just like normal CSS, you have your brackets, and within here, I'll just keep this on the same line. We're going to do background, and we're going to set our background to the same thing, but it's going to be pound bracket nth, and then parentheses, and then we're going to grab from the same list, so P, comma, and this time we're going to be grabbing the second value, which is 2. And then we're going to close our brackets. And so let's make sure this is all good. So we're going to basically be saying for each item in this paragraph, give the first item as the class and the second item as the background color. I'm going to save this off. See here, there's no problems. We can check out our CSS, the compiled CSS, and you can see it's given us a, let's see, the paragraph of the class of 1 has black, 2 is 20 up, 40 up, 60 up. So save this, and let's refresh our page, and as you can see, it goes from flat black all the way up. So if you can imagine the possibilities of using lists like this is really limited to your own creativity. And I still find things every day, interesting applications all sorts of different things. I thought this was a really great, interesting example to show you guys. If you have any questions about this, feel free to let us know. Once again, this is Scott with Level Up Tuts, and thanks for watching. Bye.